Learning English. Using ordinal numbers and sequences. Ranking and ordering. Welcome to our English language learning video on using ordinal numbers in sequences. In this lesson, we will focus on the topic of ranking and ordering. Ordinal numbers are essential when it comes to describing the position, order, or rank of things or people. Let's dive in and learn how to use ordinal numbers effectively in English. Ordinal numbers are numbers that express a position or order in a sequence. They are different from cardinal numbers, which represent quantity or counting. For example, when we say first, second, or third, we are using ordinal numbers. It's important to note that ordinal numbers usually have a suffix added to the cardinal number, such as saint, nd, road, or th. Now, let's explore how to use them in various contexts. When we want to rank objects or things, we use ordinal numbers. Let's take an example of a race. Suppose there are 4 participants, and we want to describe their positions. We would say, the first participant crossed the finish line. The second participant finished shortly after. The third participant arrived a bit later. The fourth participant completed the race. Remember to always use the ordinal numbers to describe the order or rank of objects in a sequence. Ordinal numbers are also useful when ordering a series of items. For instance, imagine you are giving directions to a location using landmarks. First, you will pass the supermarket. Then, you'll see a red building on the left, which is the bank. After that, take a right turn at the traffic light. Finally, you will arrive at your destination, the library. By using ordinal numbers, you can guide someone through a series of steps or provide a clear order of events. Ordinal numbers are commonly used to describe the rank of people in various contexts. Let's consider a classroom scenario. Alex is the tallest student in the class. Maria is the smartest student in the group. John is the oldest person at the party. Using ordinal numbers helps us compare and describe the rank or position of individuals within a specific group. Congratulations on completing this lesson on using ordinal numbers for ranking and ordering. We've covered how to use ordinal numbers to describe positions, rank objects, order a series, and describe people's ranks. Remember, ordinal numbers are essential for communicating specific positions or ranks in English. Keep practicing and incorporating them into your conversations, and you'll become more fluent in no time. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more English language learning videos. Happy learning!